Well, hi everyone. I'd like to wish everyone that watches my videos a very happy New Year. Today I have got different items from Bornpretty. So the first one, I have to do some lovely brushes. So this one, I decided to have a gel brush. There it is. Such a lovely designs on their stuff. It's really, really nice. So one other thing, it was just one to show, but that is like a little star with a diamond, well, crystal inside. These as well are like little stars, and they come in 3 different colours. And obviously these and these as well come in 4 different colours and different sizes too. And then I got these crystals, and there's all different colours in there for do your designs. I had 3 pots, which there's that one that is a little bit metallic-y plum, and this one is more of a gold holographic. These are to rub onto your nail, and the one I'm going to show you is this one, which is the rose gold. So that's how it comes out. Very, very shiny, lovely. All you do is get your little stopper, dip it in. You need a dark colour on the base. Dip it in there and just keep rubbing until your colour comes out. So you do that with all 3. So that's that. But what I'm going to show you on a nail, I ordered these, and I think these are absolutely beautiful. These are what you use your glue with. And look at that. That's holographic. So it comes out quite clear except for the swirly bits. So that was that one. And the other one, as you can see, if you can see properly, yeah, if I turn it, there's more of a design on this one. But they do loads of different ones, so it's your choice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my hairdryer and my glue, and then we'll see how these work. So here's another nail already done. I mean, obviously you'll do whatever colour you want. This glue is also from Bornpretty, and it is a good glue as well. So just make sure you cover it all. Plenty on. I want it to stick everywhere. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my hairdryer to dry it, and I'll be back. So I put the glue on there, and I've decided to use this one. So then we're going to hopefully stick it in the middle. And just press on. Make sure it's all pressed down. I'm quite excited to see what this comes out like. Okay, so we'll fold it from there. Oh my god. Wow. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Then you'll need your top coat over the top. There isn't a bit there that hasn't been used. Absolutely beautiful. And like I say, there's plenty more different designs that you can use. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this review, and there's some ideas there for you. I'd like to thank Bornpretty for these, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!